Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to paint this BTS Pied Piper inspired nail design. Start by applying base coat to all of your fingernails. Then paint all of your fingernails except your pinky nail white, and then paint your pinky nail black. Now take a smaller paintbrush and just dry brush on some vibrant pastel nail polishes onto the nail just in random areas, and you want to use various colors. It's just to make a sort of pretty colorful background, and I did that for the index and middle fingernails. Then you're going to dry brush on some gray polish onto the right side of the middle fingernail to sort of show the looming darkness behind the man. Next, I'm just going to be applying the same gray polish up to the cuticle and leaving a bit of the white showing at the tip, and then I'm also going to be mixing in some black and swirling in the white just to create a sort of dark, gloomy, mysterious background. And now I'm going to move on to drawing the cliff on the index fingernail. Now this is sort of an illusion, I suppose, because the storyline actually starts in the pinky nail and goes to the index fingernail. So this is the cliff that the man will lead the girl onto and off of into, I guess, sort of a galaxy or a paradise, and I added shading with black polish. Now for the middle fingernail, I started with a flesh tone to just mark where his head is, and from there you can sort of create the arm and then fill in his shirt, which I'm using blue polish for. And then you're also going to draw in his pants with black polish, which is just kind of a thicker rectangle, and then add some brown hair. And I also use black polish to draw out where his arm is. And for the ring fingernail, I'm going to be drawing the girl that is blindly following him. So I started with the same flesh tone, and I'm just using white polish for her shirt and a purple polish for her skirt, just to represent, you know, the purple in the fandom. And then I'm just going to use the flesh tone to draw her legs and use black polish to separate the arms. Draw in the hair and the shoes. Draw a red horizontal line for the blindfold. And for the thumbnail, I'm going to be applying a sheer yellowy nude to the top of the nail, and then I'm going to be drawing these horizontal gray lines on top. Make sure that the lines are parallel, or at least try to make them appear so. Now I wanted this part of the nail to look like sheet music, so I'm going to make the P's look like notes. And you could probably do a lot better if you are an actual musician and can read notes, but I am not, so I just try to make them look like notes or not like the typical P. Well, the bottom half of this nail is going to be like a sheet of loose leaf paper, and it's going to look like a test paper, except there's nothing on it. I just use a pastel blue to draw a set of horizontal lines that are once again parallel and make sure they're equidistant from one another, and then just top coat that to even it out. And then on top of that loose leaf section, just write A+ with red polish. Apply a generous layer of top coats, even out the design to add beautiful shine and also to protect it for as long as possible. So that is this BTS Pied Piper nail art tutorial complete. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye everyone!